Hi guys, so today I want to talk about something I experienced with a client. So I had this client that had that was when I was doing bespoke. I had this client that had an inverted triangle shape. Like she was, normal triangles are like A. She was like this. So she had broader shoulders and she was a larger size up basically and smaller at the bottom. And so she chose a particular style and I made the style for her. So at the time I did not know a lot about body sizes and educating clients on body sizes. I didn't know all of those things. So I made this dress for her. The person's picture she sent to me was this figure 8 lady. I made the dress for her and I don't even know why I assumed it was going to look exactly like that, considering I had taken the measurements and just knew that okay, this measurement was like bigger up and smaller at the bottom. Anyway, I made the dress for her and then she wore it and it was horrible. It wasn't nice. And that kind of made her lose trust in my what they call it, basically made her lose trust in my judgments. Like when I tell her, oh, this thing would look good, but after that experience I had to like educate myself a bit. So after then, and I tell her, oh, this thing will look good on you, she's like, are you sure? That's because she already had that experience with me before. Now it's not many clients are going to give you a second chance. So what I learned from that experience is know body types. Like as you're starting the fashion business, as you're learning how to sew, also know about body types, because African women are extremely diverse. Extremely. African women can be consisting of 3 different sizes in one body. Their bust can be a size 14, their waist can be a size 8, and their hip can be a size 24. So you need to be very, very mindful of that when they send you. That's how we see a lot of what I ordered versus what I got, because people are not even putting their body size into consideration when they're ordering these things. So when you're making something for someone, especially those in the bespoke, made to measure, whatever fine name they give it these days, you need to make sure that you're checking out your client's body type. Advise them and tell them, oh, this thing is not going to come out like this. This lady has this kind of body and you have this kind of body, and if it comes out like that, this is what it's going to do. If you're an illustrator, maybe do an illustration for them so that they see what it's going to look like, so that you guys will not have issues later on and then they say, oh, it's your fault, oh, you don't know how to do this thing. Meanwhile, it's just a simple case of body type. So I learned to always check body type. When I measure you, I can tell your body type. You don't have to ask the person, oh, take off all your agbada for me to know your... When you take someone's measurement, of course nobody should be wearing agbada to measurements, but when you take a person's measurements, you should be able to tell this is the kind of body type they have, and then advise them on the kind of styles they have chosen, whether it will work or not. Have a nice day, guys.